Now, power it on now. Oh, you're fucking too slow. Oh, I did not fucking believe he was going to get up that. Hey!
Well, that's fucking no good. I have to go now.
Haven't you got up yet?
No, I made it to the, practically to the fucking
Well, throttle on halfway down this hill and you'll get up there.
Make it?
He took an alternate route. He took an alternate route.